I feel more secure that if an asteroid was hurling itself towards Earth, that we have a way to maybe put it off
now
course.
we don't have to send Ben Affleck up into space.
Bruce, it was Bruce Willis,
Bruce.
don't you remember?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, remember
Wrong movie?
he pushes Armageddon, he pushes Ben back into the spaceship.
You've seen that movie
Spoiler.
a couple times.
I have. Don't you? And then Liv Tyler sitting there crying. Oh.
So if you haven't seen that movie, it's
emotional
24
thinking
years
about it.
old. You kind of had your chance.
Oh,
before we spoiled it.
it's good. It's worth revisiting. And
I
Aerosmith is in it.
like Deep Impact better. That was more scientifically accurate.
Oh,
But anyway,
you would. It's all about the moment.
wouldn't I? Yes.
You would, Paul.
Take a look at what's happening weather-wise. The big picture pattern isn't going to change a whole lot. So we're going to be seeing a consistent weather pattern as we head through the rest of this week. Offshore winds in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but here at ground level, we still have that onshore flow, and that means it's going to be cool by the water, but near normal temperatures inland. That's the part of the forecast that has changed just a little bit. We're expecting warmer than normal temperatures to prevail as we head through the rest of the week for inland parts of the Bay Area. It's kind of backed off that a little bit. Now, close to average temperatures in store for us. High temperatures today as we look at the fog rolling towards downtown San Francisco. It was warm in Livermore at 87 degrees, but temperatures in the mid-70s for Santa Rosa and San Jose. That's about where we should be for this time of year. It was still cool by the bay. Upper 60s in Fremont, barely above 60. Downtown San Francisco and right at 60 degrees for a high temperature in Pacifica, which is an improvement over the 50s that you've had for the past several days. But you're going to be right back to the upper 50s tomorrow. Current temperatures, 60 downtown, 57 in Half Moon Bay, but it's still 78 in Concord, 83 Livermore, and 84 degrees in Fairfield. That is a 27-degree difference between Half Moon Bay and Fairfield. That kind of spread in temperatures is not what we expect in the month of October. We expect that in June and early July. We're just going to be in this summer-like weather pattern as we head through the rest of this week. Let's take a look at Futurecast visibility. Reduced to start the day, but it should improve pretty quickly for inland parts of the Bay Area as that fog gradually backs up towards the coast. Should see plenty of sunshine from early afternoon through the rest of the day. Temperatures tonight dropping down to the low to mid 50s for most of us, but some upper 40s in the North Bay valleys. Getting to that time of year where more and more 40s are going to appear on a normal looking low temperature map. And then temperatures will struggle to warm up again in San Francisco, maybe a degree warmer than today, but struggling up into the low 60s once that fog in the morning gives way to at least a little bit of sunshine over downtown. Closer to the coast, no such luck. The fog for the North Bay should dissipate by late morning. Temperatures in Santa Rosa warming up to almost exactly where you were today, into the mid 70s. Concord likely to reach up to around or just above 80 degrees, but that is normally warm for mid-October. San Jose also close to the average high. In fact, exactly tomorrow's average high temperature, 77 degrees by mid-afternoon. Fill in the rest of the map. Only upper 50s along the coast, 60s for the most part around the bay with a mix of 70s and 80s farther inland. Those inland temperatures, again, aren't going to change a whole lot as we head through the rest of the week. So the fire danger, which can be very elevated this time of year, is going to remain fairly in check. It's not zero. It's hardly ever zero in October, but if we're lower than halfway up our 0 to 10 scale on the fire danger index, well, that's where we want to be. Be seeing if we can drop it even more with a chance of showers late next week, but that's beyond the scope of the 7-day forecast. We'll check out the 8 to 14-day outlook coming up at 6 o'clock. Very little change to our overall temperatures over the next 7 days, except farther inland, where temperatures should back off a little bit for a very pleasant October weekend.
All right, thanks, Paul.